Tinnitus, not often mentioned here in the Senedd. Its impact debilitating and the consequences can be devastating. Last year, James Ivor Jones, a much-loved member of my local community, took his own life in a tragic way after struggling with tinnitus for 6 months. His son describes his suffering as unbearable, and he sadly now suffers with the condition. It is though often unrecognised, undiagnosed and underestimated. Often described as a ringing in the ears, sounds heard can include buzzing, humming, grinding, hissing, whistling and sizzling. In some cases, actually beating in time with a person's heart, having a significant negative impact on day-to-day life, leading to sleeping problems and severe depression to 60% of sufferers. Treatment, when available, includes sound therapy, counselling, cognitive behavioural therapy and tinnitus retraining therapy. There is no single treatment that works for everyone, and diagnosis at a very early stage is considered crucial. Action on Hearing Loss Cymru have highlighted there is a postcode lottery for diagnosis and treatment here in Wales. I am speaking up today to call on the Welsh Government and all Assembly members to become more aware of this illness and would ask you to commit to an increased awareness, focus and support early access to early diagnostics, intervention and help for those suffering.